Hello guys, good day. Moving forward, I'll be utilizing videos to record my lessons due to slow internet connections. So I'll be showing you part of the review before the quiz. So let me start with number one right here without any delay. Find the slope of each line right here. So this one right here. So we did this last time as well. The formula here should be rise over run, where rise represents your y and your run represents your x axis. So we have here the point. All you need to do is to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units down. That's why I got a negative 5 here, because we're going down. And then you go right, 1, 2. That's positive 2. Therefore, your slope here is negative 5 over 2. That's how you do it. Okay, number 2. For number 2, I'm going to show it on a separate line paper because I don't have enough space on that one. We need to use our formula here. For slope, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Wherein this will be your x sub 1, this will be your y sub 1, x sub 2, and your y sub 2. For me, that would give you a guide. You will not forget which number you're gonna put in. Okay, y sub 2 is 20 minus, don't forget you also have a negative sign here. So you put minus 7 all over 12 minus, you also have a 12 here. So simplifying, you can have this becomes positive. You have 27 all over 0. Okay, what happens if you are dividing to a 0? Math will tell you that if you're dividing to nothing, so your final answer would be undefined. Okay, number 3. Yeah, we still have number 3. Okay, so for number 3, I will use the paper now. So number 2, I can put here undefined. You can go back to the video if you want to see the solution right there. Number 3, find the slope of each line. Okay, looking at this form, it's already in slope-intercept form. Remember, y is equal to mx plus b. Our slope here is being represented by letter m. So looking at the equation here, our slope therefore is negative 2 over 3. Alright? The instruction, by the way, is write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. Therefore, this is how it should look like. Y is equal to mx plus b. So we're going to rewrite this to this form. We're going to isolate the y on the left and then the x and the constant on the right. So for this one, plus x here plus x. Both sides, this cancels out. What's left here is negative 2y. We'll arrange it this way, the letter first and then the number. Since we still have a negative 2 here, we're going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. Therefore, our equation is negative 1/2 x plus 1. Alright, so negative 2 divided by negative 2, that's positive 1. So here, there's a 1 here, remember? Our coefficient, that's negative 1/2. And that satisfies this form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Number 6. Okay, isolate the y on the left again and x on the right together with a constant. Minus 4x here. This cancels out. What's left is 5y is equal to negative 4x minus 20. Divide by 5. divide by 5. Y is, we can have negative 4/5 x minus 4. So if you noticed again, this is now in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, let me turn my notes here for number 7. Let's go number 7. Let me show you the question first. It says here, write the slope in form of the equation of the line through the given point with the given slope. So this is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna use, let me just write the formula here. We're gonna use this formula right here. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x sub 1. This will be our formula right here. Okay, so remember that formula. I'm going to use that one for you, and then I'm going to put my notes here so that you can see it. Number 7. What is your y1? Okay, using the coordinates, we have negative 5 and 4. This will be your x and this will be your y. Okay, therefore our y1 is 4. Our slope is negative 3/5. And then our x sub 1 is negative 5 minus negative 5. Alright, then simplify. This becomes y minus 4. Then this becomes negative 3/5 x. This becomes plus right here. So they cancel each other's out. That's 15 over 5. That's negative 3. Now, we still have a constant here. We need to isolate the y on the left. So add 4. This cancels out. What's left now is positive 1. So now our equation will look like this. This is now in slope-intercept form. Okay. Let me cut here on this one so that it will not be too long.